Hello, welcome back again to another video. So this morning, Microsoft has given me access to their new Microsoft Designer. So in this video, we're going to look at how it looks like. So when you're given access and you sign in with your account that have been given access to use, and once you're in, this is where you get started. So here you can see the Designer Copilot. This is very important because the AI will automatically know what you are trying to design, create, and it will give you some availability options that you will choose from. So here we just describe the design that we want to create. So this is very important because it's going to give this AI here, Designer Copilot here, to look at what you're trying to do and gives you some designs that you can choose from. So here just start with this very basic example here. And from the other part here, you can see it says you add your own images. So you can add from your device, you can add from your phone, or if you have generated some images or some images you upload here, you can use from here. But we're going to create this using the AI. So it says start with an AI generated image. So here we're going to click on this and it takes us to where the AI page to generate our image. So once you type in your prompt in here, it will give you some options to choose from. So here a wooden table, head and shoulder view, post processing, a wooden table like Mexican, all these things here. So you can choose from this. So I just want to leave it as it is. So it gives you some options so you can choose from. For now, let's choose the first one there, and then click this arrow to generate your image. Okay, so now it looks like what we are looking for is being generated. So we can either use one of these images here, click on this little icon to zoom in so you can check it out. Okay, so once you're happy with one, simply click this, select your image and click on save to go on to the next part here. So this is where we start generating our design. So you can click on generate here and wait for the AI to do its thing. Now, as you can see, we just generate a different style here that you can choose from. So you can choose from any of these, and now you can start designing, or you can add text and other things in. You also have the option of animation. You can see this little video icon here on this, and also on this one, and some others are just like a still post that you can post on Instagram. Or if you want to create the animation with, you can choose the animation template here. So based on our Designer Copilot here, it choose given us the different options here. But then when we select one of these options, it's gonna generate plenty of options again to choose from. So let's look at this and choose one that we want to use as our design. So maybe we can choose this one here. And once you select one, you can click on this little plus icon here to see how it looks like. And if you want to go back again, click that, and now you can check another one here. And click this to go back again. You can check another one. So use the little icon here, and once you happy with it, you can double click on it, or you can simply select it. So do a single click. You can do a single click like this, and then click on customize design. So once you click that, you can see it gets you to another new area that you need to customize your design by adding more things to it. And then again, you can see with the little text that we type in here in the previous example, you have the Copilot ideas that you can choose from. Because we have selected this, you can see all the design seems to be following the design that we have selected. So you can see this one here. You can also select the animation here, and there's some more here. And if you're not happy with this, you can click on new ideas to generate new ideas from the Copilot AI here. So since we just want to do this as an example, let's select this little animation here. And then you can type in your text. This is the AI generated text. You can type in your text from here, and then you can or double click on the design to send it into your design template, so you can be able to create it. So let's just trim this a little bit down like that, so it's flexible. You can resize it, you can minimize it, trim it in. If you've been using Canva, you'll be familiar with the new design of Microsoft Designer. Do all this thing with this. Once we have that, you can see the once you click here, this gives you the option template here to select from. So you can select one of these and then it will apply too. So for example, if we are to select one of these, let's select it and see. Okay, so let's this is the first time we're using this, so let's just select this and see how it affects our design here. So let's just click on this and it says replacing it. So that means you're gonna replace this. So let's just click yes to replace it and see how it looks like. So here we can see that once we replace it, it's replaced our design from the Copilot design that we select from here. And now it gives you some option again, the AI Copilot here, designing some designs for you to select from. So you can select from any of these. Okay, let's just undo, go back to our original again. And here is where our media will appear. You can either upload from your PC, from your phone. You can use the Google Drive or Dropbox or Google Photos here to upload the images to. Now you can see I have also generated, all the AI generated images will be appearing here. So once you click on the visuals, this is where the stock footage are here, so you can choose from. Now the first generate here is what your generated using the AI text to image generator right inside the Microsoft Designer will appear here. And here in the photos, because we were looking for watermelon, the AI have given us some options of watermelon here. Okay, so visuals again, you can see the photos, you have the graphics here. You can use different graphics, backgrounds, and you have the videos here that you can choose to use on your design. And then you have the text here, very pretty text you can choose from to replace. Simply select the text here and you can replace it with any other text you want to. And all are resizable, so you can resize that. You can double click in and select the text to type in. All these things like you do in Canva, you can also do the same here in Microsoft Designer. And then you have the brand kit. Now those who own some brand, you can choose the color and design from here and you can create your brand. Now selecting this one, you can see you have some option here to replace it and also remove the background. Okay, so there you go. This is Microsoft new Microsoft Designer. So I hope you're given access if you've already on a wait list. And thank you again to Microsoft for giving me access and was able to go in here. So looking forward to create some things using the new Microsoft Designer. And thank you for watching and see you back again in another video.